Hey guys, so I just wanted to come to you guys really quickly um with this thing that I've been doing. So this is the second year that I have made a skirt for myself for an African-esque theme that we do at my church. But it's the end of Black History Month and our Black History program is tomorrow. So I'm going to make me another skirt. So this is my skirt, the fabric from last year. And as you see, I picked out this beautiful green that's very similar to the one that I did last year. So with that being said, what I am going to do, where it's a little longer, I'm just going to cut here to make myself a head wrap to go with my skirt. And then essentially it's just going to be a wrap skirt. I'll put a t-shirt and a skirt on, and then I'll just tie this on top. I'm trying to keep from using my sewing machine. So that's why I said we'll see what I can get into with just my scissors. But I will come back to you guys once I cut out the head wrap and then cut the straps in it. Okay, stay tuned. All right, guys. So I did the cutting. So I have on my thigh high. So um, just going to check it out and see where there can be, if I need to do any changes or anything. So what I did last year was just kind of tucked this in and then kind of just let that, and then I just tied this up. So and this is my skirt. And then of course, in African queen style, I'm gonna be rocking this neck piece, this statement piece. It is absolutely everything. I love this. So wear this, and then it's a little bracelet. So I will probably pull the iron out to kind of do something like that. I don't know, but I think it looks cute. And this is the extra piece that I cut, and so I'm gonna make a head wrap with that. So I'm not gonna tie it on right now, but of course I will record myself getting ready tomorrow, putting on everything. I'm also, if you saw in the video earlier, I got Chloe some fabric as well. So I did get her some fabric. I'm gonna call her in a little bit and measure her so that we can get her skirt cut as well. But again, think I want to um Okay, guys, so I just wanted to show you the tank top and the black shirt that I was going to wear with my skirt. I took I take off my necklace whenever I wear the statement piece that I'm gonna wear today because my necklaces always hang past the statement piece. So just showing y'all my skirt and the tank top that I have on. Chloe is wearing black as well. She has on her black tights with some black biker shorts and then a long sleeve black shirt. I did attempt to press some pleats into her skirt, and then I gave her like a little band where I um folded down the top of it and kind of steamed that as well. But of course, as I got to tying it on her, the pleats came out. And you'll see me kind of messing with that a little bit. So we did it, just decided we were just going to let that hang. And you'll see that in the final pictures that I took. She gave you guys a quick little spin. Just tucking it in a little bit to make it look a little more polished. And we're discussing what, if we're going to change it a little bit or not. All right, gang. So here is my skirt. So I'm just going to tie it. Well, oh, y'all, I done tied it inside out. Bloopers. Not that it looked bad on the other way, but I want the gold to show, of course. So I honestly like it just kind of hanging like that. So with this, can either let it hang or I'm just gonna tuck it. All right. So, and then I'm just going to wear, of course, put my necklace on. Uh, I've been trying to decide today's scent. I always wear my amber oil, so I'll put that on my hand and rub that everywhere. Okay, so I got my neck piece on. I'm going with this jewelry, my little bracelet, and what fragrance am I wearing today? Um, Versace. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the Modular Goddess. This is my favorite of the Modular alien ones. So again, put a little bit on my hand. I have to get the big bottle. But yeah, guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys like it. I'm just going to wear just some regular heels. I might even throw in a pair of boots since it is a little chillier this morning. But of course, I'll post pictures. So thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye. Hey guys, so I just wanted to jump on camera really quick and show you what I did with my wrap. So the piece that I cut off, I literally just took it and made sure it was on the gold side. And you can either tie it if you want a bow. So let's do that one really quick. Well, you can take it and tuck it on the inside. That's how I wear mine today. You can tuck it like a scarf. And then I made sure that it was on my ears because that is one thing I can say I hardly ever see African person's ears when they have a head wrap on. So just wanted to kind of give everything that Queen Akila is giving. But if you want to do a bow, let's do a bow. So yeah. So I just did my basic puff. And then of course you can let's pour these out. And so that is the bow. I'm gonna tie my skirt for you guys one last time. So the two arms, I'm gonna take one side of it and tuck it in. So tied it, as you see. You can tie this in a bow if you want to as well. I did not. And there you have it. And my material literally cost me, it was $7.99 a yard. So I got 2 yards and I was able to do a head wrap and a skirt. And it literally took me not even 15 minutes to do this. And, just something for next year, or if you guys are doing some type of African program sometime in the future, definitely. Or not even a program. If you just want to dress in your African attire and do something with your girls or do something by yourself, definitely do it because I got so many compliments. My statement piece, I've had this for a while, probably about 4 years. So I will try to see if I can find one on my Amazon and link it in the description box. But it literally came with this necklace and the bracelet, and it snaps on. And so does the necklace. The necklace literally snaps the same way. Um, so if you guys have any questions, comments, please drop them in the comment section. I'll show you guys really quick. I did have a little piece of fabric left. You've got mail. And so I just stuck it in the pocket of my jean jacket. And this is literally how I wore it to church today. So next time I'll press it and fold it a little nicely, but I decided to do that right as I was running out the door this morning. So, but yeah, let me guys know what you think. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I love you. Bye.